Hey, what's going on? It's Jack Milocco for Beardbrand. Welcome to the week 42 update on the growing of my beard for an entire year. Today, let's talk about what's going to happen after the series is over. Holy cow, guys. This is it. This is the final 10 episodes of the YEARD series. After that, it's all over, and that begs the question, what comes next? What am I going to do when this whole thing is over? Well, I've had some thoughts, and I've been thinking about this really since about the midway point, and I have finally come to a conclusion. So I'm going to use this video as a sort of jumping off point to answer a bunch of questions that I've been getting all the time throughout the entire series, and really tackle the biggest ones being, what am I going to do after the series? Will I do it again? Will I keep going? What's going to happen? We're going to get into all of that in this video here. All right, let's do it. First one is the biggest one. Am I going to keep my beard after the series is over? No, I am not. When the series is over, I will be shaving off this beard. I can really just picture right now how many people I just pissed off by saying that. But yes, I am going to be shaving off my beard at the end of the series. I think it's time for a change, and I've had a very long beard for a very long time. I've never had it this big or bushy or wild before, and I am ready for a little bit of change, just for a bit. That being said, after I shave off the beard, am I ever going to grow a beard again? Of course! I'm still here at Beardbrand. I still love growing beards. I think I look better with a beard. Now, am I going to let it get this long again? We'll see. But I think I'm going to be completely shaven for a little bit. You know, to appease the family, the girlfriend, to see what I look like completely shaven for a little bit. I don't know, it's been a while, and I kind of like my jawline to be visible every once in a while. So, after I shave it off, yes, I will be growing back a beard. Will it be a YEARD though? No. That goes into the next question. Will I ever grow a YEARD again? Yeah, I think I will. Here's the deal though. Am I going to grow back immediately? Like, am I going to shave this off, be completely shaven for a month or so, and then go right back into a YEARD? Absolutely not. Guys, the YEARD has been fun. It's been really challenging. It's been a learning process, and it's been a whole bunch of stuff in between. One thing I know for certain though is I will not be doing a YEARD anytime soon. The biggest reason why is because my beard hasn't fully developed yet. I'm still a very young man in terms of a beard. I am 23 years old. When I think a beard comes in at its best, for most guys at least, is when they're in their 30s. I think that's when you're really gonna see what your beard becomes. So I have still got 7 more years to go before I'm even in my 30s. If I'm still making videos at that point about beards, who knows? Maybe we'll get another YEARD series down the road, but as of right now, no, this will be the YEARD series for Jack Milocco. Maybe we'll do another YEARD series with someone else at the company. Maybe someone from outside of Beardbrand can do a YEARD series. Who knows? I know a ton of you guys out there have started your own YEARDs because of this series, and I love that. And I encourage you guys to keep going strong to the very end of yours. As for me, though, once we get to week 52, not going to go back. All right? Now, let me address another question that kind of goes back to the very first one about shaving the whole thing off. Am I immediately going to shave it all off, or are we going to get a video about it? What's going to happen? Picture this, if you will. I'm sat there in a barber chair. Barber comes out. Maybe it's Mahesh. Who knows? We haven't planned that far yet, but that would be pretty cool. Honestly, I'd love to get over to England and actually go film a video in Gentleman Rogues with Mahesh for one of the guys over at Gentleman Rogues. That would be really cool. Not going to make any promises, but we'll see. Come the end of this series, we still got 10 episodes to make it happen. Maybe we'll be in England. I don't know. Point is, I'll be in a chair. Barber will come out. Maybe it'll be someone from the company. They'll come out with the clippers regardless. What I envision is we take this thing down one step at a time. And in doing so, I can show you guys what different styles of beards look like. We've made a couple different videos about what different beard styles look like. We've had some graphics that pop up in the videos, but I want to show you a tried and true realistic example of what these things actually look like on a person. That way you guys can get an idea of whether or not you want to try out these styles. Maybe you can't go for a full beard. Maybe you want to do something that's a little bit more of a hybrid style, or something that's a little bit smaller, I guess. We'll use this as an example and an opportunity to show you guys all the different types of styles that you can get going from a full beard all the way down to completely shaven. So we'll take down the sides, we'll take down the underneath, We'll go for whatever we want. We'll try solo mustache. We'll try goatee. We'll do anything that we can. But remember, once we take that hair off, we're not going to like stick it back on and pretend, oh, this is what this looks like. We'll go as we clip it off and see how many styles we can actually get out of this massive YEARD. Okay? So look forward to that. I think that will be the very last episode, so you'll have that to look forward to, all right? It'll be a fun little transformation video. Another big question that a lot of people have been asking me throughout the series is, am I going for another challenge after this is done? Not right away. That's the best I can give you on that one. I'm not going to grow out my hair for an entire year. I'm not going to go for a mustache for a full year. I've done the YEARD series. I've done the YEARD challenge. I'd like to take at least a year to really grow the beard that I want to grow. My preferred style of beard is something more along the lines of a corporate beard. I mean, if I was going to be left to my own devices, I would love to go for something like Jeff Boncristiano. But again, mustache, just not there yet. Maybe in my 30s, we'll see, going back to that little 30s conversation we had earlier. But as of right now, I am going to keep everything trimmed up and neat afterwards once I grow the beard back. And I'll probably be doing the same with my hair. I like the dapper style. I want to keep things pretty close cut, at least for the year. I put myself through a lot having a beard like this. Of course, left to my own devices, I would not let my beard go completely wild like I've been doing for this series. But for the purposes of education, hey, it's been really fun. It's been interesting to see how long this thing has gotten. But as far as going wild or going crazy or doing anything with my hair or my beard, nothing as of right after this series ends, okay? And the final question I want to address before this series is over is, am I going to make any more videos after the series is over? Yes, of course. Maybe you'll see more of me. I don't know. It's bittersweet that the YEARD series is ending, but it's also a door opening up and a full opportunity of new things from me. I don't necessarily have to only talk about beards now, which is very interesting. I mean, I've made a few videos here and there, you know, things that aren't on Fridays that have been sprinkled throughout the series talking about other things, but typically I talk about beards. But I have a lot of other things that I want to talk about on this channel. As you know, we are not strictly a beard channel anymore. We talk about anything from grooming to self-care to motivation. There is all sorts of topics on this channel, and there's tons of things that I want to dive into personally. So come the end of this series, you're going to be seeing plenty of Jack, don't worry, but it's probably not going to be specifically about beards, all right? That all being said, let's bring this on in, and you guys can see the progress of this beard 42 weeks in the final 10 episodes of this series. Welcome back. Let's jump into the comment of the week. This one comes from Brad Reed, and he says, Jack, I suppose you might have mentioned this earlier in another video, but have you ever stated what you'll likely do with your beard after the completion of the full year? Do you have a style in mind? Brad. I made it a little bit easy on myself this week, but Brad, if you watched this video, at least a little bit of it, I hope that this gives you an idea of what's going to happen after the YEARD series is over. YEARD will be cut off. I will regrow a beard at some point. I'll still make videos and I will still be here. So Brad, I hope that answers your question. And hey, thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and everything here and in between. Oh man, I'm in a good mood today. But hey, until I see you next week on episode 43, you guys keep on growing.
Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company with products not only for your beard, but also your hair and body. Do yourself a favor and head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself. Or you can stick around and watch a few more of our awesome videos.